everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going over my latest Beauty Big Bang haul, which is what you see right here, and I am going to go ahead and review for you a couple of the items that I have with me. So let me first go over all these items that I have, and I am going to leave links to each one of these down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out, and as well as my discount code, which is NAQ57. Remember, you may use that at checkout to when you are ready to purchase any of these items or any other items from Beauty Big Bang. And this is their website right here, so it's just beautybigbang.com. I will have that down in the description bar below. So let me go ahead and start out with this beautiful mermaid bag. Check it out. Oh, look at that. This is a travel bag, an overnight bag, a makeup bag, just a general bag, and you may use it as you wish. And let me show you. It is empty right now. I don't have anything in it, but as far as the dimensions for this bag, so it is, oh, I'm holding my ruler upside down. This is approximately, that's 7 inches right there, and I believe I measured it's 3 inches wide or 3 inches deep inside, and it is about 4.5 inches tall. Okay, so I'm going to show you. It just, oh, it has a nice handle right here where it fits nicely around your wrist for you to carry it, and here's a zipper. Has a nice detailed silver zipper. I'll show you inside, and it is lined. Okay, so it has like a light yellow liner inside to protect it. So it's not fabric, this is a plastic, so you may have some toiletries or what have you there inside, and if anything spills, you don't have to worry about it staining or getting dirty. The plastic makes it easy to clean. Okay, so this was one of the first things I wanted to show you. I mean, I can't get my eyes off of it. It's just so cool, and it has, for details, the texture, it has these like the mermaid scales. So yes, this is actually called it's called the mermaid beauty bag on the little tag right there. It's like a holographic mermaid unicorn bag. Reminds me a lot of the names of that they have from some of the nail powders and pigments. But yes, go check this out if you are in need of a beautiful bag that no matter where you put this, it's going to stand out and you're not going to miss it. You will find it, although you might have to be careful and make sure nobody steals it away from you, because it is absolutely gorgeous. I just really love that shifting, and wouldn't it be nice to have that on your nails? Okay, let me move on to the next item that I'm going to show you. I have also, you have seen me, this is a duplicate. This is their metal claw, cotton claw. This is the one that I've been using, and this is a duplicate, so I am going to keep it in the back. I'm going to keep it as a gift, so I do have plans, and so I have already done a review on this. I will link the video where I already did the review on this down in the description bar. Next I have, let me show you. So yes, this will be on another video. So I have an art wheel with these charms. These are actually 3D hearts, and yeah, I was hoping to get this prior to Valentine's Day, but nonetheless, during the rest of what is left of February, we can continue with some nice love theme manis, right? So these are just absolutely gorgeous, because yeah, I will bring you up close, and like I said, I will have a separate video for these where I will use these. But these come in red, black, and like a beautiful like a rose. So this is the studs wheel. Next I am going to show you, okay, this is also going to be another video, but I have to show you this pack of nail decals. So the theme around these nail decals is completely, it's all flowers, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Let me bring you a little closer. Check these out. And it is a pack of, if I remember correctly, 24. All these come in this bag right here. And let me just show you really fast, so when you get an idea of the colors. And I kind of went in and put them in by order of color coordination, like yellows, pinks, purples, and then here we go, and a few that with the variations. But yes, look forward to, I am going to show these in a little bit more detail and definitely do a design using these water decals. And next I am going to show you this teeny tiny portable travel LED lamp. It is absolutely adorable. Let me show it to you. So this comes in, and I have already unraveled the cord. This is a USB cord. It can connect to, you must have an adapter, or it may plug into your laptop for power, to power the lamp. They do come in different colors, kind of like how they show here on the cover, in some pastel colors. I chose the black one. And I will be testing this out. Check it out. It's a little dirty because I have been handling it. And yes, I do keep my hands moister. Check this out. And this is about, where's my phone? Here's my phone. Okay. It is smaller than my phone. And super, super light. I mean, it's almost totally weightless. So yes, this is for travel, a nice travel LED lamp to cure your gel mani, and I am looking forward to also testing this out. I will be doing a review video separate just for this, along with these two one-step gel polishes, also from Beauty BigBang. So I'm going to be testing these out all together, and my goal for this is to test out and to give those of you that might be interested in going into gel manish, or going into doing gel manicures, very cost effective without breaking the bank, or maybe because you're not sure how often you're going to be using it or be doing it, or if you want to, not sure if you want to totally commit to it. That's the way I'm going with this. So these are one-step, and one-step gels save you in time, money, and space, because you don't have to have the base coat and top coat. You just have your color, and that's it. Even if you might end up doing multiple coats to get desired finish, it's one bottle, and that's all you have. Okay, and a lot of them require very little or very low preparation of your nail base. Yes, so yeah, be on the lookout for that. I am going to be testing these together and do a separate video just for them. And last but not least, and the reason I left these for last is because these we are going to try on this video today. So these right here are their new nano glass files. Absolutely adorable. When I saw them, the designs, oh my gosh, there's many other designs available in them, and they come in packs of 2. They sent me 3 of them, so you can see have an idea of what kinds of designs are available, and as well as this one is totally clear and it's glass. So these are, let me go ahead and open this one first. It almost looks kind of like one of those microscope test thingies. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And these will make such a nice and unique gift. So this one it's glass, and it's completely see-through, and it has their logo right here. And so what it has on one side, so this is the rough side right here on this one, and this is what does the magic, believe it or not, you guys. I have to show you. You're not going, I think I'm a little too close here. I was almost in disbelief as I was seeing the results from using this little thing. Okay, so I am going to show you here, and I'm going to see my middle finger, on my middle finger, how dull it is. And I am going to start now with, I'm going to try, because I want you to see what happens. I want you to see this in real life what is happening as close as I can bring you as possible. And I need to grab my glasses. So again, this is with the rough side of the nail file. And try to concentrate. Yeah, I'm going to try right there in the center of the nail. And I want you to see what happens. And I am going to stop without completely having done the nails, so hopefully you can tell the difference. Look at that, guys. Look at that shine. I mean, it's almost as if this is like magic. And you see the dust on my nail, on the nail file. It's super cool. Now, of course, with your nails being rounded, so you had to go in here. It's neat that they're glass, but it's almost as if like I would wish them to have some kind of flexibility for that, but maybe that will counteract the magic of what it does. I mean, it looks like my nail is wet, or as if I had just applied a clear base. That is super cool. I've actually never seen, even I have a nail buffing thing for shine. I've never seen anything work like this, like really. So let me continue here, and I might speed up through some of this. That is just amazing. Yeah, and I was trying to keep my index finger out of the camera because that one I already done. But I want you to see the difference between these two fingernails and these two right here. Look at that shine. And let me dust them off. Okay guys, so I have dusted them off and I changed my lighting here. This is the normal lighting that I normally use for filming, but if I turn it off, it will make it much more obvious. Check it out. Look at that shine right there. I mean, it really looks like I have, and the camera doesn't do it justice. Again, it's a lighting thing. When you see this in person, it literally looks, I mean, when I saw this, it's too bad I didn't catch my first reaction. But I have to test this. So, and if this is acetone, okay, and I'm going with the brush, and look at that. I don't have, well, it's wet now, but no, that's not base color. I just buffed the shine off with this little thingy, this little nano glass file. That is super cool. Oh, can you tell I am impressed by them? Yes, I am. These are going to make such nice gifts. I'm trying to open this little case here again. These are going to make nice gifts. And so unlike when you see them, yeah, if you watch the video, they do have a demonstration video on how to use these. So that is the side that you use for shining your nail. Is the rough side, and yes, you can use it for shaping. You can use it for a little bit of you can use it for filing just a bit, but I don't know what it does. It's like it helps remove some of the cuticle, whatever it is that it's on your nail that makes it shiny. Okay, I can't say enough of these things, and they're just so cute. So I am going to have a link down in the description bar to these. If you're interested, go check them out. Remember to use NAQ57 for a 10% discount. And I will be coming up with my other review videos on the other items, so stay tuned for that. I hope if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.